Welcome to Healthcare Bites for You. We discuss 3 best foods that instantly stop leg cramps. Your body is always talking to you. Waking up in the middle of the night with a sudden, painful leg cramp? You're not alone. Over 60% of adults over age 60 in the US experience regular leg cramps. But what if your next meal could help stop them? Why leg cramps happen? Leg cramps in seniors are often caused by muscle fatigue, poor circulation, dehydration, and mineral imbalances, especially low potassium and magnesium. But the good news is, the right nutrition can fix that. Food number 1. Egg, a complete protein powerhouse. One egg provides high-quality protein for muscle repair, vitamin D for calcium absorption, vitamin B12 to keep nerves healthy. Studies show that many older adults in the US are vitamin D deficient, increasing cramp risk. Eating 1 to 2 eggs daily can help restore balance. Food number 2. Bananas. And the all-time cramp fighter, bananas. Just one banana conta. 422 milligrams of potassium, critical for nerve and muscle function. Magnesium and vitamin B6, which calm muscle contractions. Potassium deficiency is a leading cause of cramping in seniors. Bonus, bananas also support hydration. Food number 3, nuts and seeds. Third on our list, nuts and seeds. These small snacks are big on benefits. Magnesium helps relax tight muscles. Potassium restores electrolyte balance. Healthy fats improve blood circulation. Just one handful a day can reduce inflammation and reduce the chance of future cramps. Extra tips for fast relief. Food alone isn't always enough. Combine your new diet with stretching daily, drinking plenty of water, gentle walks to boost circulation, and always talk to your doctor if cramps become chronic. Why these foods work together? Here's the secret. These foods work best together. Eggs give you protein and nerve support. Bananas balance your electrolytes. Nuts fill in the magnesium gap. Together, they're a natural defense against muscle cramps. Quick stats, real impact. Did you know? Over 50 million Americans aged 60 plus are at risk of muscle cramps due to dietary deficiencies. But seniors who maintain balanced diets, rich in electrolytes, report 50% fewer cramps, according to recent studies. Don't let leg cramps steal your mobility. A simple change in diet can lead to real relief. Add eggs, bananas, and nuts to your daily meals. And take back your strength one bite at a time. You have the power to prevent pain and stay active naturally. Start today. Your legs will thank you tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks.